Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter chocolate chip bars. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the peanut butter and canola or vegetable oil, and beat them with an electric mixer for 30 seconds until they're combined and lighten a little. Then add in the quick oats, not rolled oats. This gives the bars a nice oaty flavor and chewy texture. If you like, you can leave them out and increase the flour in the recipe. And add in about half of the flour, half of the milk, brown sugar, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, and vanilla extract, and mix them in on low speed until they're combined. Then add in the rest of the flour, the rest of the milk, mini chocolate chips, and chopped peanuts, which is optional, and mix them in on low speeds just until they're combined. Then mix it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. To make the frosting, in a medium bowl, sift in the powdered sugar and add in the peanut butter and milk. Mix them by hand at first. Then beat them with an electric mixer until they're well combined. Then add in more milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches a spreadable consistency. Then finish it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Once the bars are completely cooled, spread the frosting all over the top of them. Then cut them into bars and serve. And that's how to make peanut butter chocolate chip bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.